Bayo nĩaraihũrĩtwo nĩ gĩkeno kĩingĩ mũno mũthenya wa ira as she took to all her social media platforms to celebrate her husband Hiram Gitau, well known as Tash. It was his birthday yesterday. Na Bayo took this chance to celebrate him, akiuga ona ti gwĩtugĩria, but it's a testimony of how she had given up on love, but he came into her life and changed everything for her. Akiuga happy birthday to the guy behind me, my best friend, love of my life. Tora muno nguonage. And then she added this, akiuga, one day by God's grace, we will tell you our story, not to brag or to hurt anyone, but to encourage those that have given up in love and family. I was once an ambassador for giving up on love company. Then she says, someday someone will walk into your life and make you realize why it didn't work out with anyone else. Wow. Bayo augite Tash was her salvation. She had given up on love, with how her previous marriage ended. It was just total chaos. But Tash came into her life and changed everything for her. And she found love again, actually. And for that, she will always be grateful. Augite one day she will come out and give their story as a testimony and also as an encouragement to anyone else out there who may have given up on love, just like Bayo had once did back then, until she met Tash and she was able to love again. And now they live together, they're married, they raise their kids pamoja as a blended family, and they're doing really well. Happy birthday to Tash. Ginyama fans nĩ mareyumĩria na njĩra nene kũmũkũngũĩra. Na Bayo nginya nĩongereire akauga atĩ he is not just her husband but also her best friend. Wow, happy birthday once again, Tash. And do not forget, subscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.